Hey everyone, the Honor Pad 10 marks a noteworthy addition to Honor's tablet lineup, making its official debut in Malaysia and several European markets including France, Germany, and Italy. This new offering is positioned as a mid-to-premium device, boasting a blend of impressive hardware and AI-powered productivity tools that make it stand out in an increasingly competitive tablet segment. At the heart of the Pad 10 is a large 12.1-inch TFT LCD screen that delivers a crisp 2.5K resolution. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, the display ensures smooth visuals whether you're scrolling, streaming, or gaming. The panel supports 1.07 billion colors and reaches up to 500 nits of brightness. While it's not an OLED screen, it still manages to produce vivid colors and reasonably deep contrast levels for a satisfying visual experience. The tablet is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, which is designed to deliver balanced performance across productivity, entertainment, and light gaming tasks. Running on MagicOS 9.0 based on Android 15, navigation is smooth and multitasking is fluid, further boosted by the inclusion of 8 GB of turbo RAM, which helps manage app switching and background processes efficiently. On the camera front, the Honor Pad 10 is equipped with 8-megapixel sensors on both the front and rear. These are not groundbreaking by tablet standards, but they are adequate for video conferencing, document scanning, and casual photography. It's clear the focus here is not on photography, but on functionality and utility. Battery life is another strong suit of the device. A 10,100 mAh battery keeps the tablet running through long work or entertainment sessions, and the 35-watt supercharge support ensures. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, offering fast and stable wireless performance whether you're browsing or streaming content. The Pad 10 is clearly tailored for productivity and educational use, evident in its AI-driven features. Tools such as AI Honor Notes, AI Voice Note Sync, AI Notes Assistant, and AI Writing are designed to enhance the note-taking and learning experience, making the tablet ideal for students and professionals alike. Honor also paid attention to media and user comfort. The tablet features a 6-speaker setup backed by Honor Spatial Audio, delivering immersive sound that enhances movie watching and music listening experiences. The Honor Eye Comfort display reduces eye strain during extended usage, and the screen even supports touch functionality with wet hands, making it practical for real-world conditions. Weighing 525 grams and measuring 277.07 by 179.28 by 6.29 millimeters, the Honor Pad 10 maintains a slim and portable profile despite its large display. It feels balanced in the hand and easy to carry around, which is important for on-the-go productivity. The tablet comes in 2 color variants, gray, which is widely available, and cyan, which is exclusive to the Malaysian market. In terms of pricing, the tablet is competitively positioned. European pricing varies slightly by region, €399. These price points place the Pad 10 squarely in the upper mid-range category, offering good value for users who want a large-screen tablet with solid performance and meaningful software features. Overall, the Honor Pad 10 is a well-rounded device that strikes a balance between performance, display quality, battery life, and AI-driven productivity tools. It's not aiming to compete with the top-tier tablets on the market, but within its category, it offers a compelling package for students, professionals, and casual users looking for a smart and capable companion. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Have a nice day and God bless you.